Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So the very first recruitment is of college Vaishno College of Engineering. This college is in Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. They have vacancies for principal professors, associate professors for all the BTech departments. Qualification and salary is all as per according to AICT and AICT, UGC and Himachal Pradesh Technical University norms and condition. For that you have to apply, you have to send your resume on email hr@vaishno.edu.in, and after that they will shortlist you and they will intimate you by call or by mail. It is not written clearly by call or by email they will intimate you, but by any means they will intimate you. The second college where the faculty recruitment is going on is in PP Savani University. This college is in this university is in Surat, Gujarat. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor, assistant professor and tutor in the different schools. First vacancy is in a School of Liberal Arts and Management Studies. They have vacancies for economics, psychology, sociology, history, mass communication, operation, quantitative technique, data analysis. Second school where the vacancy is there is in a School of Design. They are recruiting for visual communication, fashion design, product design and interior design. Third vacancy is in a School of Architecture. They are recruiting for architecture, urban planning. Next one, a School of Engineering. They have vacancies for computer, IT, chemical, mechanical and civil. Next vacancy is in a School of Science. They are recruiting for biotech, microbiology, environmental chemistry, fire and safety, physics and agriculture. Next vacancy is in a School of Physiotherapy. They are recruiting for clinical therapist and DPT. The next vacancy is for nursing. They are recruiting for BSc nursing and GNM courses. Next vacancy for master in public health. They have also vacancies for a School of Law, for LLB courses, for homeopathy, medical college and hospitals, for BHMS courses, and they have vacancies for a School of Agriculture for BSc courses. They also have vacancies for some non-teaching positions like admission counselor, admission relationship officer, account officer, clerk, hostel rector, PA2, provost and HR. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your resume or application within 15 days to hr@ppsu.ac.in. Please mention the post which you are applying for in the subject line. Qualification and other things are as per AICT and UGC norms. Next vacancy is in this is in MIT World Peace University, Pune. They have vacancies for deans, professor, associate professor, assistant professor for all UG and PG courses. For engineering and technology, they have vacancies for mechanical, computer science and engineering, electrical, civil, electronics communication, chemical, petroleum, mechanical, for robotics and automation. They have vacancies in Faculty of Science for computer science, mathematics and statistics, photonics, biotechnology, data science and big data analysis, industrial polymer chemistry. They have vacancies for Faculty of Pharmacy also, for B Pharma and M Pharma, pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy, pharmacology. They have next vacancies for Faculty of Sustainability Studies, for social science, ecology and public health. Next vacancy is for management for BBA and MBA courses. After that they have vacancies for faculty of liberal arts, fine arts, media and journalism. For liberal arts, political science, psychology, English, photography, journalism and mass communication. And they have vacancies for faculty of design also, for product design, visual communication design and user experience design. Other department where the vacancy is in commerce, economics, education, law, peace studies, public policy and a school of government. Here it is mentioned that PhD is mandatory for all the position. Here it is highlighting that in the lower line, PhD is mandatory for all the position. If PhD candidates are not available in some domain, then candidate with other relevant qualification and experience may be considered. For applying, you have to scan the QR code, which is in this corner, lower right corner. You have to scan that, and after that you have to apply. MIT World Peace University is in Pune, Kothurut. Next vacancy is in Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya. This university is in Indore. They are inviting application for director for Sri Vaishnav Institute of Textile Technology, Sri Vaishnav Institute of Law. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in for Sri Vaishnav Institute of Engineering and Sri Vaishnav Institute of Information Technology for computer science and IT branches. They have vacancies for forensic sciences. They have vacancies for architecture, for interior design, product design and planning. They have vacancies for management courses also, for international business, tourism management, advertising and public relation, agri businesses, business analytics, media management system, finance marketing, general management. They have vacancies for Vaishnav Institute of Science for life sciences and biotechnology courses. Next vacancy is in social science, humanity and arts, for psychology, sociology, history, political science, public administration, English, economics and anthropology. In commerce department also they have vacancies for taxation, banking and finance and entrepreneurship courses. For law they also have vacancy, and last one, home science and agricultural courses, they have vacancies. Eligibility is as per ICT norms. It is written that salary is not a constant for deserving candidate. So for that, what you have to do, you have to send application in prescribed format. The format is available on in institute website. So you have to go to college website, www.svv.edu.in. In the career section you will find an application. After that you download and print. After filling, you have to send your application along with your resume, photocopies of certificate and 2 passport size photograph to Vice Chancellor Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Vaishnav Vidya Parisar 177 Jawahar Marg South, Raj Mohalla, Indore 452002. It is mandatory to send application in hard copy. No soft copy will be accepted. It is clearly mentioned. Last date to apply means your application should be sent before on or before 25th of March 2021. Next vacancy is in college, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram campus, Chennai. They have vacancies for science and humanities. For professor, associate professor and assistant professor. HOD also they have vacancies. The next vacancy is in they have vacancies for all comes under science and humanities, means for commerce they have vacancies, management courses have vacancies, computer application, fashion design, film technology, viscom, chemistry, physics, maths, English, biotech, journalism, mass communication, German, Japanese and French also they have vacancies. And it is also clearly mentioned that PhD is mandatory for all the position. Candidate who have submitted PhD synopsis or thesis can also apply. They also have some vacancies for research projects, so you can apply for that also. Means you have to send your resume They have some non-teaching vacancies, so like HR executive, student counselor, front office executive, assistant librarian, manager and admin officer, accountant, lab assistant, warden. So you have to apply within 10 days along with biodata to HR department, first floor, BMS block, Bharti, Salai, Ramapuram, Chennai. So you have to send your application with your resume and post it on this, or you can also send it by mail. Its email ID is given hr@ist.srm rmp.edu.in. So if you have liked the videos, please share it with friends also who are in searching for jobs, and share and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now.